Justina，哪一间装修
？Interior
我
Times。
Interior 但每个都很红啊，在新加坡很红没？
不错。
输我一点。
没有，他找错代言人了。
Hi everyone, I'm Justina. I work in the education industry and I'm a proud owner of this home. My interior designer is Interior Times firm and I actually got them through Renopedia platform. In my previous home, I actually went for industrial. So I thought that this time around I wanted to have something really different. So I opted for candy plus earthy tones. I wanted it to be a bit brighter. And I thought that maybe I should also add some colors here and there. My inspiration actually mainly from Pinterest and Instagram posts from other people. So that's how I got bits and pieces of ideas for my dining, my dry kitchen and so on. I must say is definitely the dry kitchen because this one I really copied to the T from Pinterest. I wanted really that same color, that color combination, even to the extent of the structure and arc. So I decided that okay, I must go for this because it is where I have my guests will see the moment they step in. Okay, I must say that it's really easy, like any kind of rectifications that need to be done, it was sorted quite immediately. At least they will keep me updated on what is the next stage and I have a peace of mind knowing that it will be done according to the timeline schedule. I had an experience before renovating house. I had to search through Google and read the reviews of all the different interior design firms. So it's very tedious for me because I have to do a lot of homework. But this time round, going through Renopedia, it cut down all this time-consuming process. So it was very easy. I just have to write in what my requirements are, my budget, and the themes I would like to try out. So with that, I was then contacted through WhatsApp to actually inform me that they have noted of my requirements and then they will follow up to actually give me suggestions, recommended ID firms within the next few days. I would definitely recommend Renopedia because it is the whole process of your homework, the search, that stage 0 of you trying to get hold of maybe shortlist maybe about 5 ID firms before you meet up with them. The thing is, the ID firms that were recommended will then contact me directly. So I don't have to be the one approaching them. I'll be the one they will reach out to. Thank you, Renopedia. Remember to check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspirations. Bye-bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.